So guys, many of you are waiting for the launch of the iPhone 12 lineup. Guys, many of you are interested for the 5.4-inch iPhone or the iPhone 12 Pro series. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to be giving you the updates regarding the launch date of the iPhone 12 lineup, what are the problems that Apple is facing, and in short, when the iPhone 12 lineup will come in India. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting, and guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, every year in the second week of September, Apple launches the new iPhone lineup. Well guys, this year we are living in the middle of a pandemic where Apple is facing lots of problems. The first problem is like Apple employees cannot fly to China to start the manufacturing unit, because whenever the final prototype of a particular iPhone is ready, Apple engineers fly to China and make the adjustments for the manufacturing of the new iPhone lineup. So guys, currently all of the international transportation is currently paused, and because of this factor, Apple employees or Apple engineers cannot fly to China. This is number one reason. And the second reason is that the production chain is kind of in a trouble, because like Apple cannot manufacture any iPhone currently, and hence Apple might delay the launch of the iPhones. Well guys, earlier it was expected that Apple will launch all of the 4 iPhones in the month of September, and they will start the shipment in the month of October. Well guys, according to John Prosser, Apple is going to be indeed launching the new iPhone lineup in the month of October itself. They are not going to be conducting a September event. In fact, they will launch the new iPhone lineup in the second week of October, and at that same time or in the later part of October, this iPhone lineup will be publicly available. And guys, if you are talking about the Indian market, it will take 1 month to arrive. Take example of the iPhone SE. It was launched on 15th of April, whereas after 1 month, now it is finally available in India. So guys, in short, whenever the iPhone 12 lineup will come in the month of September, in India it will come in the month of November or even in December. Guys, this all depends on the COVID situation. Let's hope that this situation will come under control. But guys, as if for now, Apple is going to be launching all of the iPhones in the month of October. And guys, the price tag of the iPhone 12 lineup in India will start around 70,000 rupees. The 5.4-inch iPhone 12 might start around 64 to 69,000 rupees, and in the worst case scenario, it will start around 70,000 rupees. And guys, I also want to discuss one more news, and that is recently President Donald Trump has said to Apple that they will increase the taxes on Apple if they do not remove the production from China. Well guys, Donald Trump believes that Apple should remove the dependence from China, and so Apple is trying its level best to distribute the manufacturing in different countries. Their main aim is towards Israel, towards India, and towards Brazil. So guys, time will tell us that in which country Apple will start the major production of the iPhones. But guys, currently there are very high chances that Apple will shift as much as production possible in India. So guys, because of this factor, we will see a huge price drop in all of the iPhones, and it will be a very better deal for people who want to buy iPhones for an affordable price tag. And guys, if we will see the current news, Apple is planning to invest, or Apple is planning to make iPhones worth $40 billion in the course of 5 years. So Apple is going to be shifting 20% of the iPhone manufacturing in India, and in the course of 5 years, Apple will make iPhones worth more than $40 billion. So guys, this is a very good news. And guys, if Apple will even shift 20% production in India, Apple will become the biggest exporter in India, and because of this, the economy of India will also increase rapidly. So guys, with the help of today's video, I wanted to make you aware that guys, iPhone 12 lineup will be launched in the month of October, and it will come in India in the month of November. And guys, Apple is trying its level best to start the production of the iPhones in India, so the price tag of all of the iPhones will reduce drastically. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video, and guys, if you are new to my channel, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.